So the last example we're going to solve an equation. So really everything that we've done up to this point is to get us to the point where we can solve an equation that is going to have a complex solution, an imaginary solution. So let's take a look at this. We're going to do what we just did in example 5. We're going to turn 4 into minus 2i squared. Notice how they have the 2i in parentheses. I would probably write it as just minus 4i squared, with the 4 being not under the exponent, but same thing. If you put parentheses, then you got 2i. If there's no parentheses, then you got 4i. Anyway, it's going to end up being x plus 2i times x minus 2i. And then you set both those factors equal to 0, and the solutions you get are negative 2i and 2i. Okay. So let's take a look at this example here. So why don't you try both of these, and then after you pause it, come back. So for the first one, x squared plus 49, we changed 49 into minus 49i squared. When you did difference of squares, you have x plus 7i times x minus 7i, set them each equal to 0 separately. And you end up with x is equal to plus or minus 7i. Down here, same thing pretty much. Changed out 25 for negative 25i squared. Difference of squares gets you 3x plus 5i and 3x minus 5i. Set them equal to 0 separately. Solve. And you get x is equal to negative 5/3 I or 5/3 I. So we really should write it all together. So x is equal to plus or minus 5/3 I. All right, make sure you attempt the exit ticket. That's what we'll go over in class tomorrow. Remember, that counts for classwork points in the gradebook. So yeah, just make sure you have, well, obviously you're done the notes if you got this far, and then make sure you have the exit ticket done by class tomorrow, and we'll go over that and have time for practice tomorrow.